Hello students, this is Debarchana Raut, lecturer in computer science. In our previous slide, we have discussed about the arithmetic operation and the infix notation. In our this slide, we will be discussing about the Polish notation or prefix notation. So infix notation was, there was two operands and in between that one operator was placed. So in prefix notation or Polish notation, the operands will be placed after a operator, or it is a notation in which the operator is placed before its two operands. Hence, no parenthesis is required in this notation. Here we can see an example that normally we used to write in infix notation. A is one operand, then the operator, that is plus sign, then next operand, that is B. But here two operands are written and before that a operator is been placed, that is addition sign is been placed. So this is the prefix notation or Polish notation. We have reverse Polish notation or postfix notation. It is the notation in which the operator is placed after two operands. Again, here also no parenthesis is required. So, first two operands will be written and after that a operator sign will be given. So, this is the postfix notation or a reverse Polish notation. Stark organized computers are better suited for postfix notation than the traditional infix notation basically. Thus, the infix notation must be converted to postfix notation and then be solved. The conversion from infix notation to postfix notation must take into consideration the operation hierarchy. So, let's see how we will be solving or converting the infix notation to either prefix or postfix notation. The expression for adding the numbers 1 and 2 in prefix notation, or we can say let's discuss first the infix notation, that the two operands will be written, that is 1 and 2. For example, these are two constant here, and these two are constant operands and in between that there is one plus operator. But if it is written in prefix notation, we basically what we write, we give the operator sign first, then the first operand and next the second operand, that is plus 1 2. For instance, the expression that would be written in conventional infix notation as 5 minus 6 multiplied by 7, that can be written first solving the brackets. If we have this infix notation here, how we are going to write it in prefix notation? So same precedence priority operation will be implemented, that is we will be solving the bracket first, that is 5 minus 6 will be written as 5 is a operand and 6 is a operand and minus sign is the operator. We will be writing the operator first, then the two operands. So bracket has been solved first, that is minus sign 5 and 6 has been written. Then this expression or solved expression, that is minus 5 6 is one operand and 7 is another operand. So this operand multiplied by 7 or another operand, that is 7. So here we have to again solve it. So here is operand 1, that is minus 5 6, and here is operand 2, that is 7, and in between that we have a multiplication sign or we have a operator. So finally what we would write, we would write the multiplication sign as the operator will be written first, then operand 1, then operand 2. Minus 5 6 was the first operand and 7 was the second operand. So we can remove the bracket and finally write it as multiplication minus 5 6 7. Okay, so here is a infix notation that is we can see for an example of converting. This is how we convert the infix notation to prefix notation. Here is an example of another infix notation in which we have in round brackets we have a minus b multiplied by, in square brackets we have c divided by d plus e, in again one brackets plus f. So which one we need to solve it first? So here we can see there are brackets. So first of all we will be solving the square brackets. In square brackets we are using here the precedence priority. Okay, so in the brackets we have division sign, we have another bracket, we have plus sign. So obviously we will be solving the brackets first. So as it is given the postfix notation, we have to convert it to postfix notation. So first I will be solving the bracket, that is DE or D plus E. So here it is written as DE plus. Okay, this is the postfix notation. First two operands will be written, then plus sign will be given. So this is solved. Next, in between C divided by this operand and plus sign. Okay, we have a division sign, we have a plus sign. This bracket is already solved. So obviously I will solve the division sign first. While solving the division sign, I will write C DE plus is the second operand, then the division sign. So this part is already solved. Next we have plus sign and F. So this part is one operand, that is C D E plus division is one operand. Then we have the operator plus, then we have the operand F. So what we have to write? We have to write the operand 1, then operand 2, then the operator sign. So the operand 1 is C D E plus division, operand 2 is F, and the operator sign is plus sign here. Okay, so this bracket is already solved. Now I have to solve a minus b, this bracket. We have a multiplication sign in between. So this is one operand and this, the solved part is one operand. So what we have to write to solve this bracket, that is ab minus, that is solved. So ab minus is one operand, c d e plus divided f plus is one operand, and in between that we have a multiplication sign. So what we need to write? We need to write AB minus operand 1, CDE plus division F plus operand 2, then the operator, that is multiplication. This is how we solve the postfix notation or infix notation and convert it to postfix notation. Okay. Here are some more examples of infix expression that has been converted to the prefix and postfix expressions. So let's just give a overlook over it. So here we can see that a plus b multiplied by c plus d is given. So in this infix notation, if we will be converting into prefix notation, then we will be first following the precedence priority. So in between plus, multiplication and plus, we will be given priority to the multiplication sign. So in prefix notation, it will be written as multiplication sign BC. Okay, here we can see multiplication sign BC. So this is now one operand. Now we have A plus multiplication sign BC as one operator, then plus D. So we have three operands and two plus sign operators. Okay, so we will be moving from left to right and we will be solving A plus multiplication sign BC. So plus sign will be written first. So here we have plus A multiplication sign BC. Now we have to solve the plus and the D part. Okay, the D part. So D part is another operand and plus A multiplication sign BC is another operand. So what we need to write, and in between them we have a plus sign, this plus sign. So what we have to write? We will write in prefix the plus sign, operand 1, that is plus A multiplied B C, then operand 2, that is D. Okay. Another way will be solving the postfix expression where A, B, where we can see that first, similarly as it is given the precedence priority, so it is written first this one is solved, that is B, C multiplication sign. Then we will be solving A plus B, C multiplication sign, and the plus sign will be after that, that is A, B, C multiplication sign, then addition sign, and after that this part. Okay, so this is one operand and D is one operand, and we have a plus sign in between, so that finally operand 1 is written, D is operand 2, then plus sign is given. Okay, so this is how we solve the infix expression to prefix or postfix expression. You may go through some more examples under it, and you will be clear about that how the expression are been converted, or infix expression are been converted to prefix and postfix expression. So I think you might be clear from this slide how the conversion is done. We will be discussing some more operations on infix, prefix and postfix in our coming slides. So till then, thank you so much.